Welcome. In front of me is a Motorola ThinkPhone 25, and today I will show you how you can put this phone into safe mode. So to get started, we will need to turn off our device. So actually not turn off, but access the boot menu. So let's swipe from the top of our screen twice, and at the bottom you'll find your power button. Click on it, and from the boot options you want to hold power off. So you can see this changes the information to reboot to safe mode. Do you want to reboot into safe mode? This will disable all third-party applications you have installed. They will be restored when you reboot again. Let's click on OK. And just to explain this message, so it's a little bit less vague, safe mode is designed for troubleshooting your phone. If you have some kind of problem with your applications where they're basically interfering with the way you use your device and you can't get rid of them for some reason, putting it into safe mode would basically completely terminate those applications from being able to affect the usability of the device, and therefore you can manage them, get rid of them, do whatever you want. Now in a moment when, there we go, the device boots up, you can see we have a watermark, safe mode, letting us know that we're in this mode. Not like we need it, considering widgets don't work here, which is a giveaway, like telltale sign. And additionally, if you have any application installed on here that you have downloaded yourself, they will all be grayed out and deselected. So that's the effect of the safe mode. Now once you're done using it and you want to go back to the normal mode so you can use all your applications, again click on the power button right here, and this time around we're going to select restart. And when the device boots back up, it automatically will enter normal mode. And there we go. So, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.